Hey guys, the robots are coming and they bring in pizza! This week, Domino is rolling out a robot car delivery service to select customers in Houston. For those who opt in, their piece will arrive in fully autonomous vehicle made by Nuro. Moreover, if it will have success in the Houston, Domino's will spread the technology across the whole states. The four other food delivery services can also use this technology and replace 7.2 million employees who involved in the food delivery industry in the United States. Here's how it works. Customers in the Houston can choose robot delivery and receive text with updates on the car's location and a numerical code that can be used to retrieve the order. Once the car arrives, the customer enters the number on the booth's touchscreen and the car doors open up to serve the food. Nuro's robot car was the first completely autonomous, human-free on-road delivery vehicle to receive regulatory approval from the U.S. Department of Transportation last year, Domino said. Founded by ex-Google self-driving car engineers, Nuro also operates delivery services in Arizona and California. It is one of multiple companies looking to use autonomous vehicles for short delivery runs, which may be a lower barrier for the technology. Unlike much discussed autonomous ride-sharing, driverless and riderless deliveries don't require potentially apprehensive members of the public to ride in self-driving vehicles. Robots are trying to take our jobs, but we must fight and not give up. I'm James Edison. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.